What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and today we have a very exciting news. We're actually getting our last appliance. It's a GE Cafe gas stove. It's supposed to be delivered today. Previously, we bought it from Best Buy well over a year ago on a great deal that we couldn't pass up. Scheduled for a time about a month ago. We had all the appliances delivered except this one. We continued to keep rescheduling, trying to get it. It kept getting back ordered. Me, my wife's been calling them multiple times. We've been waiting to the last minute. And then all of a sudden I get an email saying, hey, you got to reschedule it. We actually don't have it in stock, which is kind of frustrating, especially for something as important as a stove. Moving in wise, you know, if it was just like a microwave or a dishwasher, then that wouldn't hold us back at all. But you know, a fridge and a stove are two essential items that we need before moving in. Anyway, we're gonna continue on the subfloor while we wait for the appliances and cross our fingers that hopefully it gets delivered.
Thank you.
I need to sign anything?
No.
Can I have it, okay? All right, you too. Appreciate it. So we have a huge come up. The stove finally got delivered. It's been over a year. We bought this, all the appliances last Black Friday, and then they're just now delivered in the past like month or so. We had the initial delivery of the fridge, dishwasher, and microwave. Luckily, we're able to get it. And I'm gonna leave it in the cardboard for now, and we'll do like a final unveiling when there's less construction work going on. We'll continue with the subfloor, and yeah, that's pretty much all we got going on for tonight. We'll just keep breaking our back on the subfloor. All right, guys, that's all we got for tonight. I'm packing it in. Just finished the last two bedrooms. Just need to do the master bedroom and the half bath. But if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friend, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.